Most people get HubSpot CRM completely wrong. They assume free means limited and useless. But here's the truth, no one tells you. The free version of HubSpot is powerful enough to run a real small business, if you actually know how to use it. In this video, you'll get a clear breakdown of HubSpot CRM in 2026, what the free version includes, where it struggles, and whether it's actually worth using for your business or startup. Let's get straight into it. HubSpot CRM is a customer management tool that helps you track leads, manage contacts, and organize sales without chaos. Think of someone like Alex, who runs a small digital marketing agency. Without a CRM, he forgets follow-ups and loses clients. With HubSpot, every lead is tracked automatically, and nothing slips through. Now here's where it gets interesting. The free version is not just a trial. It is a long-term usable system for small teams. You get contact management, email tracking, deal pipelines, and basic reporting. You can even connect your email and track when a lead opens your message. That alone gives you a huge advantage in sales follow-ups. But here's the problem. As your business grows, you start hitting limits. Advanced automation, detailed reporting, and marketing tools are locked behind paid plans. So while the free version is strong, it is not fully scalable for large operations. Let's break it down simply. For a beginner or solo business owner like Jake, who is running an online store, the free CRM is more than enough. He can store leads, track conversations, and manage deals in one place without paying anything. Now compare that to a growing startup. This is where things change. As soon as you need complex automation like multi-step email sequences or advanced segmentation, you will feel restricted. Now here's where it gets interesting. HubSpot works best when you start free and gradually upgrade only when your sales process demands it. That means you don't waste money early, but you still build on a system that can scale later. The interface is clean, beginner-friendly, and easy to understand. You don't need technical skills to set it up. Most users can get started in under an hour. But it is not perfect. Some users find that features are spread across different HubSpot tools like marketing and service hubs, which can feel confusing over time. So is it worth it? Yes, if you are a small business freelancer or startup just getting started. No, if you already need advanced automation and deep analytics from day one. Here's the final takeaway. HubSpot CRM free version is not just worth it, it is one of the best starting points in 2026 for building a structured sales system without spending money. If this helped you understand HubSpot clearly, like the video, comment your business type, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you grow smarter.